Good morning. How are you all? Today our class is maths class. But before that, I want to ask one thing. Are you obeying your parents? I received some complaints from your moms. कुछ बेबीज की मॉम्स ने कंप्लेंट किया है you are not having proper food. You see, यदि proper food नहीं खाओगे, you will become ill. और फिर आप बीमार हो जाओगे, तो फिर आप बेड पे सोना पड़ेगा, मेडिसिन लेनी पड़ेगी. So, have healthy food daily, 2 times, milk, 1 fruit daily. And whatever your mama gives you, you must eat that. Okay? Listen to your mom because you all are very good children. So, let's start our class. Our today's topic is ring the greater number. This is the new topic of your maths. Greater क्या होता है? What is greater? Greater means which things are more. जैसे, so I am giving you one example. 1, 2, 3. I put this 3 number here. Then I count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bits I counted and put one card here. These numbers are 8. These beads are 3 and these beads are 8. How many beads are here? 3. And how many beads are here? 8 beads. कौन से ज्यादा है? Which are more? More means ज्यादा. Which are more? जो ज्यादा beads होते हैं, that is called greater. जहाँ पे ज्यादा beads होंगे, that is greater. So, this number is 3, this number is the 8. Here I have written 3 and 8. Which is greater? कौन सा ज्यादा है? This 8. So, you will circle the 8. Our next example, I will count 2 beads here. 1, 2. Okay? I will put this card here, 2. And another number is 10. I will count 10 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I put this card here. How many beads are here? 2 beads. And how many beads are here? 10 beads. Which are more beads? कौन से beads ज्यादा हैं? ये वाले ज्यादा हैं या ये वाले ज्यादा हैं? ये वाले ज्यादा हैं. See, ये कितने सारे हैं? And there are only 2. तो 2 number is smaller and 10 number is greater. So, we will circle the 10 number. Find here 15 number and 6 number. Again, ma'am will count the beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. These are 15 beads. So I put a card of 15 here. Another number is 6. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I put this card here. 15 beads and 6 beads. Which are more? कौन से ज्यादा हैं? And which are less? कौन से कम हैं? These are more. 15 beads इधर ज्यादा है, ये कम है. 6 beads कम है. So this is greater and this is smaller. So we will circle the 15. Okay. Our next number is 4 and 20. We will count 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we will put the card here. Card यहाँ लगा दिया. Again we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. I put a card here. अब आपको इजीली पता चल रहा है कौन से बीट्स ज्यादा हैं, कौन से बीट्स कम हैं. These are less and these are more. ये ज्यादा है और ये कम है. 4 नंबर कम होता है and 20 नंबर ज्यादा होता है. Okay, so this number is greater. जो नंबर कम है that is smaller and this is greater. Okay. Our next number is 11 and 19. So we will count 11 bits. आपको मैम ने ऑलरेडी कुसुम मैम ने बताया था. These all white beads are 10 beads. 10 beads and this is 11 beads. So I put this number here 11. And after that I will count 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 and this is whole, this bunch is, ये पूरा bunch जो है ये देखिए ये सर 10 का bunch है. This is 10. तो ये 19 beads हो गया. I put this number here 19. 11 and 19. अब आप लोगों को पता चल रहा है. Everyone knows that कौन से ज्यादा है कौन से कम है. This is less and this is more. So this 19 is more and this is less. This is smaller and this is greater. ये ज्यादा है. So we will circle on the greater. Like this. Our next number is 8 and 16. We'll count 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We'll put the card here. Then 16 number is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Easily you can find out. बड़े आराम से आप पता लगा सकते हैं कौन से कम है कौन से ज्यादा है. Which is less, which is more. This number is less, कम है. These number beads are more. ये beads ज्यादा है, ये beads कम है. कौन से greater है? This number is greater. So I will circle here. Okay. You also do this work in your maths notebook. Do practice. आप beads से कर सकते हैं, आप spoons ले सकते हैं, आप pencils ले सकते हैं. कुछ भी चीज लेके ममा विल शो यू गिव द एग्जाम्पल विद दैट. कुछ भी पेबल्स ले लीजिए, पत्थर बाहर से उठा लीजिए, लीव्स ले लीजिए, प्लांट्स की छोटी छोटी लीव्स ले सकते हैं आप, बॉटल्स ले सकते हैं. काउंट कीजिए, फिर इजीली यू विल फाइंड आउट विच नंबर इज लेस एंड विच नंबर इज मोर. कौन सा लेस है, किसमें कम है, किसमें ज्यादा है. जिसमें ज्यादा होता है दैट नंबर इज कॉल्ड ग्रेटर. Do this practice in your maths notebook and send them to your teachers. Tell them bye.